Hello and welcome to our channel. This video is about unboxing an iPhone X. Here I have an iPhone X, so let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone X. So before that, please click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon to get all the notification about our channel. So this is the official iPhone X box. So it has an raised 3D effect to it. As you can see, this is a raised 3D effect, so it actually looks like the device itself. So inside the box we get this designed by Apple in California cover. Let's do that, check that later on. And the device itself, the iPhone X itself, this is a gray colored iPhone X. So we get the 3.5mm to lightning converter, and we get the headphones with 3.5mm jack. I'm sorry, with the lightning port. Actually this comes with the lightning port. As you can see, this comes with the lightning port, and we get the charger wrapped in a paper, reusable kind of paper, I guess, and the lightning to USB cable, and that's it. So all these are the things which we get inside the box. So let's keep the box aside. It has no markings of the marking saying that it's an iPhone X. It probably says here, as you can see, it says iPhone X space gray 64 GB. That's it, and here it says 64 GB. Yes, let's see what's there inside this. So it says hello, and we may be having instructions. Yes, we get the home, because this as this iPhone does not have any physical home button or the 3D touch home button, this instruction is very much required. So yes, this is the instruction part of it. Let's move on, and we get two Apple logo with it, and we get user guide, battery, language, and other information in these two slips. And here we get the SIM ejector tool, which is used to remove the SIM card from the device. And that's it. That's all which is present inside this. So this is the device. As you can see, this is the lock screen of the device, and I think it has tap to wake option. So this is an iPhone X 64 GB version of it. As you can see, it's a 64 GB version, and it's gray colored. So this is it, guys. This is all you get within the box, and this is a headphone with lightning connector. You also get lightning to 3.5mm audio jack. So yes, this is the unboxing of the iPhone X. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, and hit on the bell icon to get notified as soon as we post a new video. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for a complete review of this iPhone X. We'll be doing that shortly. So yeah, we'll be doing the camera test, the gaming review, and performance benchmarks and all those things. Please stay tuned to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.